Suncatcher. What you need: white glue and water, paintbrush, tissue paper, plastic container, hole punch and string. Cut a flat section of a recycled clear plastic container. I'm using part of a salad package. Pour some white glue into a small bowl. Add just a small amount of water to thin out the glue. Using the paintbrush, brush a thin layer of glue onto the plastic. Place a tissue paper on top of the glue. I like to work in small areas. Repeat this process to cover your entire Suncatcher. When you have finished, put a second coat of glue mixture all over your Suncatcher. Now it's time to let your Suncatcher dry. Once dry, punch a hole in your Suncatcher. Put string through the hole and you're ready to hang it on the window. Suncatchers can make great gifts for friends and family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun activities.